Did you know Eminem was just 2 hours away from death in 2007? The rap god had hit rock bottom. He was popping pills like Candy, Vicodin, Valium, Ambien, you name it, he took it. His addiction was so bad, he needed 40 to 60 pills a day just to feel normal. Then came December 24th, Christmas Eve. Marshall took what doctors later said was equal to 4 bags of heroin, but in prescription pills. His bodyguard found him unconscious on his bathroom floor. Blue lips, no pulse. The paramedics rushed him to the hospital. Doctors worked for hours to save his life. They told him later he was 2 hours from dying. 2 hours. That's when everything changed. Eminem realized he had a choice. Get clean or die. He chose life. 3 years later, he released Recovery. The album went platinum 5 times. He proved the greatest comeback stories come from the darkest moments. Sometimes you have to lose everything to find yourself again. Follow for more shocking celebrity stories.